What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video we are going to learn about Phantom Buster. If this is your first time hearing about Phantom Buster, it is a great tool to automate different actions on web. As you can see on the screen right now, I am on Phantom Buster's homepage. I have signed up for a free account, and if you are visiting it for the first time, make sure to create and verify your account. And once you log into your account, you will see a screen just like this. Now there are three different options: Phantoms, Knowledge and Dashboard. Let's go to Phantoms and LinkedIn. So these are all different LinkedIn Phantoms that you can use to automate different actions on LinkedIn. If you see, there is a Phantom called Grow Your LinkedIn Network, then LinkedIn Search Export, then LinkedIn Profile Scraper, then LinkedIn Message Sender, and there are many other different kind of automations. For this tutorial, we are going to use extract all your LinkedIn contacts. We are going to use this Phantom. So let's use this and see how Phantom Buster works. So you can see here they are asking us to connect to LinkedIn. There is a link to install Chrome extension, which once installed, it will paste a session cookie here. So let's install the Chrome extension first. Add to Chrome, add extension. Perfect. So Phantom Buster has been added to Chrome. Now let's close this and go back to our Phantom. Connect to LinkedIn. It might ask you to sign in to your LinkedIn account. Right now I am already signed in to my LinkedIn account, so it directly took the session cookie from there. So once you are signed in to LinkedIn account and you have connected the session cookie with the Phantom, click on Save. Now the next thing is, it is asking us for behavior. Our Phantom can extract up to 2000 profiles in one attempt, but it is recommended that we only extract 1000 connections per day. If you put a number here, it will only extract that number of profiles, but if you keep it blank, it will try to extract all the profiles up to a maximum of 2000 profiles in a day or in one attempt. Let's keep it blank since I don't have that many connections right now. I just have around 250 to 300 connections. Scroll down and you will see advanced settings. Now it is asking us to add a link to a Google Sheet. As we do not have more than 2000 connections, we won't be putting any link here. So let's just close this and open result file settings. Here they are asking us what we would like to name our result file. Let's just keep it default, that is result. Now click Save. On the last screen, there are two different options for launch. One is manual and one is repeatedly. When you select repeatedly, it will repeat the action at a particular time each day or at a particular frequency which is assigned to it. Let's see, it says once per day, twice per day, thrice per day, 4 times per day. So based on our preference, we can select repeatedly, but just for the example of this video, we'll select manual. We'll keep notifications yes in case of an error, and now click Save. Let's launch the Phantom now. That's it, the process has been completed and we have a link to download a CSV file. Let's try to download this, save it on desktop and open it. So guys, now you can see profile URL, first name, last name, full name, title, connection date, then profile image URL, and at last there is a timestamp. These all details will be very useful when we use profile URL to do all other kinds of automations. This was just a basic tutorial on Phantom Buster and how you can use it to do an automation on LinkedIn to extract different profiles or to extract all of your contacts. And I hope you have found this video helpful. If yes, do give thumbs up, and we'll be discussing about even better things which you can do with Phantom and many other different kinds of automations. Bye bye, take care and see you in the next tutorial.